Seed packets have so much information on them, meant to help you succeed in growing them. But it can be a little confusing to understand what it all means. Let's demystify them together. On the front of this packet, you'll see the seed vendor, the name of the plant, and a nice staged photo of what the final product might look like. On the back, we have information on when the seeds were packed and a sell-by date. This doesn't mean your seeds expire, but that the seeds that successfully germinate might be a little lower. You'll see the name of the seeds again, followed by a description of what you can expect, including the weight and appearance. Plus, it includes a range of harvest dates. This corn will be ready within 3 months. In the box, there are instructions on how deep to sow your seeds, spacing considerations to prevent overcrowding, and thinning practices so you get only the very best. Finally, be sure to take note of the light and water recommendations so your plant doesn't get scorched or too sad in the dark. We recommend tracking the important dates for germination, planting days, and days to maturity so your gardening can stay organized. We also love scouring the internet and books for additional tips and tricks. Sometimes seed packets have this information in different spots, but it should all pretty much be the same. Now that you know how to grow your seeds, happy seed starting!